Hi, it's Anne Marie. I wanted to shoot you a real quick video of the 4 most important questions buyers consider when house hunting. So what are the 4 most important questions buyers should consider when house hunting? Well, the first 2 really have to do with location. Number 1, you should really take a look at the neighborhood that you're buying in. Go visit it at different times of the day to see if the traffic changes or the noise changes. There might be something else going on at a different time of day. The second thing is the schools. Homes in a great school district are more insulated if there's a downturn in the market. There's still demand for them. We can send you a report on the schools. The third most important thing is utilities and the expenses associated with that. You should look into what the electric bill is. Is there solar? Or the water bill. If there's a lot of landscaping, what does that entail? The fourth thing is repairs. You want to check out and see if the roof is going to be replaced soon, or if it's going to need a new water heater or a new furnace, or some of the big costs, if they're going to be coming up in the next few years. You want to make sure that you budget for those. We can discuss what that means for your specific situation. I look forward to our next conversation.